Potatoes are one of the richest sources of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals. Potatoes are a great source of carbohydrates, providing energy for physical activity and cognitive function. Lentils are loaded with dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them an essential food for vegetarians and vegans. They contain about 25% protein by weight, making them one of the highest protein plant foods.